Hello viewers, this is a model railway video today and a quick update. This is what I done on the layout so far and the direction I'm going to take on the layout. Let's have a look. I've added a passenger and parcel siding, as you can see there as well. Siding, got locomotive siding or wagon siding. Here is a shunting point there, and this is going to be a line that's going to go right along to the goods shed area, and sidings along here as well. I'm going to get that done as soon as possible. I'm going to add flexi track to the station point here. These will be gone. Flexi track here to the junction point here, and a little signal box will go on to here, or a big signal, all depends if I can get one. So the flexi track will come from there right over there, and I don't know how I'm going to do this. I might just put a buffer stop here, or I'm going to have another flexi track reaching to another point here. So that's going to be thought of very soon. Still need to add signals as well to the track. They'll be done as well, I'll say that, but they will be done as well. The point leading to the right will be the main line joining the loop, so a main line here will join the loop line going round, or it can be a turnaround point like so. And I'm going to make up a main line up here, or I might connect it to the helix. Something I need to do some research on, so I'm going to connect it up soon, or just have it for now as a little line to store a train. But it will get done, or there might be a little tunnel going through there to the helix, I don't know. On this section I might still have a turntable on this section. It's early days yet. For now I've still got me loading ramp here for now, but that can stay there, or I might move that across to the other side as well. As you can see, I've moved my bridge over here as well. I'm going to tape them up and do some paper mache and make a little small embankment across here, a little roll bridge going through there as well. I'm going to change these signals, or I'm going to use some signals that light up and wire them into the gantry. I've been doing some research on that, so I will be doing that. I might have to strengthen that. I need 2 points here for the freight wagons to. I need 2 points here, so the freight wagons from that station point there to the junction point, and the freight wagons will shunt over here and go to the next point there, pulling the wagons, and it will go straight on right onto the goods shed area, or straight on go right through that point here to a storage area where the sidings are, and with a few wagons go through that point there to back the wagons up to that siding. And I'm going to do some research on that as well. So I need to buy more track to do that, so I'm going to get more track as well. Very soon I will buy some new locomotives and new stock very soon. Look out for videos like that I've bought some second-hand trains. I've been given second-hand trains like this one I've been given. So I'm gonna give them a run. This one's I've had for years. My Riviera Class 47, pretty good runner, this Class 47. It's one of my favourites of the old Hornby. So I bought a new body for me Hymer Class 35. That's looking good now. So I've run that, gave that a service as well. Like excuse me, like you can see, I've got my footbridge. I'm getting some new platforms as well, and these need gluing down, these platforms here, but pretty good. I hope you enjoy that little update, and I hope you enjoy the video now I'm pulling up, and thank you for watching, and enjoy the video.